Hello friends, today in this video I will show you fix exe has stopped working in Windows 11 or file Windows Explorer has stopped working. So how to fix this problem if this file explorer will be stop working. So how to fix this problem is very easy and a quick way to fix this problem. So firstly you need to search this. Firstly click on search. Now here need to type percentage temp and again give percentage shift plus pi. So you see this will be type. Now press enter in your keyboard. Now this type of screen will be open. So need to delete this all file. So control A to select all file and click on delete. You see this delete key, so click on it and delete this all folders. And after delete you need to close it and restart your PC or laptop. So click on start and power button and restart your PC or laptop. And after restart you can easily resolve this problem. If this problem will be not work, so need to try this second method. Need to click on search. Now type here cmd. Now right click on command prompt. Click on run as an administrator. Now here we need to type this sfc spaceless scan. Now press enter in your keyboard. Now wait till this process will be 100%. You see this process will be 100%. So need to close it and restart your PC. So after this process will be complete, so close it. Now restart your PC or laptop, and after restart you can easily resolve this problem. So this way you can easily fix this problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.